Greece has vowed to use its veto against Skopje at the upcoming summit if the Republic of Macedonia doesn't change its name. For the Prime Minister, that's like asking Macedonians to surrender their history and their future.
We cannot go against our identity, because identity of the citizens here is connected with the name. Macedonians with Republic of Macedonia. So we have red wine.
James, your name is Toby. I want to hear you say it. Your name is Toby. You're going to learn to say your name. Let me hear you say it. What's your name?
Kunta Kinte.
When the master gives you something, you take it. He gave you a name. It's a nice name. It's Toby. And it's going to be yours till the day you die.
My opinion is that the problems between the countries cannot be solved with voting, cannot be solved with blackmailing. Anyway, Greece made to us damages, political damages. The history will know this. We cannot delete ourselves as a nation. We are Macedonians, we want to begin member of EU as Macedonians. Greece wants to change our name, to change our identity. Identity is emotion, identity is feeling, identity is something that everybody has in himself. And it's very strange somebody to want to wish to change your own identity.